It's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene, this C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, power heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, power tilting steering column, automatic suspension management, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com notes its meticulous construction and engineering, refined ride and handling. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,